Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
All right, let's get to some stocks on the move. I'm Carol Massar along with Tim Stanovic. Here to do that with us is Bloomberg TV Markets correspondent Nora Melinda. She is in the house. We're looking at stocks that moved around. It was an interesting week. Where shall we begin?
What a week, but let's go to real estate. I mean, that's where I always kind of keep my eyes. CBRE was a stock that everyone was talking about this week. This is a real estate services company, ticker CBRE. This was the worst performing stock in the S&P 500. We all know that we've had a lot of focus on this whole AI play and a lot of people really flying away from that tech sector. And we did see this as one of the stocks that was hit because of that. We did have William Blair also saying that they were placing the group low on his list of sectors at risk of disruption when we think about the sector more broadly. But you still saw a lot of people who were super critical of these real estate services companies thinking that artificial intelligence could be a potential threat. So we did see that CBRE shed 16% over the past 5 days. That's the worst week since 2020.
What?
I finally...
What are you doing?
I finally got to the function on finding the worst stocks, like the worst performers in the week in the S&P 500.
It takes a second.
That whole time. Well, it takes a second when you don't remember how to do it. That's
also
happens.
fair.
I have to say, it's like you gotta,
Yeah.
Get to
this
it.
Is like
It's a
Matt
bit of
Miller's
navigating.
favorite
I love
thing to use. Carol loves doing it.
You're using most.
No,
I'm doing it. Maybe I'm doing it the wrong
Were
way.
you do members and groups movers?
Oh, well, there you go.
Okay.
There's so many ways to get to it on the turn.
There are so
are.
many ways. What else do you have on your radar for this week?
Sticking with real estate, Equinix, ticker EQIX. This is a data center REIT. And I mean, pretty self-explanatory. I mean, people are also kind of keeping their eyes on data centers more broadly. I mean, this stock has gained 13% for its best week since the pandemic, March 2020. This after its revenue guidance beat expectations. Analysts are really positive about the idea of increased bookings. And they're also calling out a boost to the company's forecast from accelerated AI demand. So they see this company receiving a tailwind from a lot of people still focusing on data centers specifically.
Up 13% for the week overall.
Yeah.
It's now up almost 25% year to date.
Are you going all real estate?
No,
Okay.
I did decide to mix it up a little bit. So
Okay.
we do have a power company I'm keeping my eye on. This is Vistra, ticker VST. This stock also up on the week, up 15%. That's the best 5-day stretch since May. This is after Jefferies actually gave the stock an upgrade. They brought it to buy from hold. They're actually citing recent share weakness as the reason that they're upgrading it. They said that the stock is down about 25% since September, despite the fact that the company announced Texas and PJM's data center nuclear contracts. And they also talk about an acquisition that they find to be attractively priced. So they think that the shares are not currently pricing in upside from future data center contracts.
It's a $58 billion market cap company. It's only up about 6% year to date.
Hey, honorable mention, the best performer of the week, because it's a shameless plug for our weekend show, Generac Holdings, up 22% this week. We spoke with the company's CEO, Aaron Jagfeld. It's in our weekend show. You can find it at Bloomberg.
It was a really fun and interesting conversation. And they it was just like their fourth quarter, right? Kicking up with those like mega super generators playing into the data center world. Thank you so much. Have a great long weekend. A happy Valentine's Day. Of course, Nora Melinda there with the biggest movers on the week overall.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.